Right, today we've got this Audi A3 S-Line in. We're going to do a back box delete for him. Now, the customer's already been in. We've done a bit of a measure up, see what he wanted. He's going for some chrome tips at the back. So we're going to make the exhaust. Tom's going to give me a hand and he's going to help me weld up the exhaust and fit the new tips. Right, the customer's already had some mods done to the engine. He's had this nice induction kit fitted. Now we also do fit induction kits here. This isn't one of ours, but it's a pretty nice setup. Right, let's have a listen to the sound of the induction kit. It does give it a bit of a barkier sound, but with that and the exhaust, I think it's going to improve the sound even more. Let's have a listen, Tom, let's fire it up. Yeah, I like it. I think that's going to sit nicely there and just protrude the bumper so much so you can see a little bit of magna flow as well on the side. So ideally, if that bend's going to sit behind that rubber mount, we need to bring the pipe along here, round and then connect on. And now to bring it a bit further out, and we should be in line to head straight across that way. Another 90-degree bend there. Weld the tip on. It's that cold in here today, and it's all condensated on the stainless whilst I've been welding. But now, as you can see, we've welded it all together. That is the Backbox Delete with his twin Magnaflow pipes and tips. I think that's going to look pretty cool when it's on. Let's hope it sounds how he wants it to sound. Stainless rod. I use it as hanger rod. Now, as you can see, what I do is I put a little bit of a kink on the end there, so when the exhaust moves, because they do tend to move around a little bit, it doesn't work its way off. I used to cut them straight, but we found over time they can move quite a lot, the exhaust, and it'll end up working its way off. Put a little kink on the end, that solves that problem. Now, we have finally finished the exhaust Backbox Delete on this A3. I'm quite happy with the sound. We'll see how the customer likes it. We've put the twin chrome tips on there and also made a new hanger bracket as well for the new bit of pipe. And that's it, all done, good to go. It's a nice induction kit. I messed it up already.
We've just lowered the exhaust off all the rubbers. Oh. Okay, I'm about to chop the exhaust off now. With the new tips. No, I can't say the new tips, that's weird. Kettle!
Right, we've finally finished the exhaust Backbox Delete on this A3. No. No. It is an A3, yeah. I was right, it is an A3. No, messed that up completely on her. That was Tom speaking there in the background.